just want it. Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
That was one whole week of waiting, and your boy DCS is back. So this time it is the unboxing of this Adventure Force diecast power racer pullback powered. Okay, let me just get to the point. Okay, this is the Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 4MATIC, which is a 2011 edition, and its details are enormous. Like, I have to explain each and everything, which we'll get to that in the unboxing part. But before that, let me just introduce myself. If you guys are new to my channel, this is Daman.s DCS in short. So yeah, I unbox cars as usual, and a lot of them. Yeah, so check out my other videos, like in the playlist over here. It'll be popping up on the screen right here if you guys are interested. And also for the links for this car, yes, it'll be in the description below if you guys want to purchase this, so go check that out too. And also subscribe to my channel if you want more of such content. And if you guys have missed out on this car's intro, don't worry, it's again on the screen right here, so check that out too. Let's get to the unboxing part and then we'll go for the info. So here we go. Off with the looks and details of the GLK 350 from its back, because the logos are right here, most of it. The GLK 350 logo, the Mercedes logo, and the 4MATIC's badging are actually properly aligned, which is very good, and the nameplate is much more better and realistic compared to all these logos. So yeah, they should have concentrated more on the tail lamps, because it's kind of like a main focus at the back, but they haven't. It's just painted there, so yeah, you know, kind of argue with that. Going for the exhaust pipes, yeah, it's got two exhaust pipes, which is pretty good. They're not that detailed, but it's fine. And the side profile of the car is actually not bad. The body lines look very realistic, and love the paint job. It's actually quite glossy. And where do you get to see low profile tires on diecast cars? It actually looks a bit big. I know this is a 140 scale car, but still it looks really big. And the tire treads are amazing. Again, as I said, this is a Maisto car. If you guys have checked out my C3 Corvettes video, you might be knowing it. So yeah, 140 scale, made in China. That's pretty obvious. So yeah guys, taking a look at the front, so this is how it looks. Pretty nice details. Let me just show you the headlamp. Yeah, the headlamp is detailed really well, which is very cool. And this is the Mercedes logo right here. Pretty nice. You have it even on the hood. That's cool. Well, now talking about the doors of this car. The doors, okay, they open much wider than my car's doors. Well, that was just a joke. Anyways, it actually has the frame type doors, like with the frame, which gives it an even more realistic look. That is pretty cool. So yeah, you have the sunroof, a panoramic old sunroof from the Mercedes. So yeah, looking at the interior, this car's interior matches the exact one, guys, like the exact GLK 350's interior. That's pretty cool. You guys can even Google it. Now let's listen to its pullback, guys. Here goes. That's pretty fast. Now going for its info. Here we go. Let's talk about the specs of the GLK 350 right here. Going for the engine of this 2011 4MATIC, it's actually a 3.5 liter 24 valve V6 engine, guys, which is a dual overhead cam V6 engine. That's pretty powerful, and it only came in the 2011 variants. So going for the transmission, you have a 7-speed automatic option, or you guys can go for the 6-speed like a real car enthusiast. Alright, that's left to you guys, like your comfort. And going for the horsepower, this car in the 3.5 liter engine produces up to 268 horsepower, which is, you know, not bad for 2011's SUV. And going for the acceleration time, this car does the 0 to 60 in about 6.5 seconds. Not bad again for an SUV. Going for the top speed, it's actually limited to 143 miles per hour. That's 230 kilometers per hour, or some people say it's actually not limited. That's the actual top speed, but yeah, the rumors. Going for the body style, that's the last part. It's a 5-door SUV. Alright guys, that's the end of the info. Oh, I forgot one more thing. The term 4MATIC actually stands for 4-wheel drive, just in case some people are actually wondering what 4MATIC is. So yeah, it actually sounds like a washing machine for me. All right, going for the last part, guys, that's the ratings. All right, looking at its details and its performance, for the first time, guys, I give it a 10 on 10. Yes, this car deserves a 10 on 10. That's an applause for this car, guys. That's amazing. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got a lot of info. So if you guys are planning to actually buy this car, just comment it below. Let me see that comments ringing in. All right, guys, see you all in the next week's video. DCS out. And if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. I'll see you all next week with another car. DCS out. Bye bye, guys. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.